Unmanned aircraft systems have the potential to improve security surveillance, revolutionize delivery services, and augment site inspections for various industries. At ST Engineering, I design and develop drone solutions, also known as Unmanned Aerial Vehicles or UAVs. A key part of what I do requires leveraging AI and data analytics to seamlessly integrate complex UAV systems with IT infrastructure. Monitoring water quality in Singapore's reservoirs used to be done manually. We created a novel way of doing it differently, using our unmanned solutions, image sensors and algorithms to provide near real-time video and analytics and alert our customers proactively. Imagine if similar unmanned technologies could be applied to forest and agriculture monitoring. Being a part of ST Engineering has been an enriching journey for me. Not only do I get to work on a diverse portfolio of projects in both commercial and defense sectors, I also receive opportunities for assignments in various countries. Such experiences really broaden my exposure and fuel my passion for aerospace and unmanned technologies.